Okay, everyone. Good morning, good evening. Assalamu alaikum. Depend when, where do you watch this video. This is Badr al-Fadli, and this week I'm gonna focus on the main stocks in US stock market that got my attention. So here we go. CRDO. This one almost got doubled from 80, more than doubled in fact, from this point to this point. This has a very nice potential for a breakout over the next week. So this one is under my attention at the moment. LITE. This one also is starting to have a base over a base, as we can see here. This is a base, this is another base. Doesn't succeed to break out so far, but it's hold the 20-day moving average very good. It still has the potential to move up. Nothing to worry from the stock reaction so far. LSCC. So this one is also, usually I'm not in favor of this kind of base at this point. However, if we focus on the chart, we can see this has a VCP character. This 1, 2, 3, 4. So once it's break the previous high, it has a very good potential to keep going up, although most indexes are extended at this point. So it's kind of tricky market environment. However, I prefer to judge each stock, each setup in isolation of the index. Marvel, also semiconductor. This is V-shape, false breakout. Now it has the potential to complete the W. So once it's exceed the previous peak, it's gonna be a excellent entry point. Now some people might prefer to enter after this red candle, after this high. So it's judgmental situation. No right or wrong here. TER. This is remind me of Micron earlier over the past month. So this is a base here. Breakout doesn't succeed, like make some sort of a shakeout at this point below the red line. The 50-day moving average now goes up, down. It has a nice potential to keep going up. It's gonna be very nice to complete this part of the base. ICHR. This one. This is kind of late to enter here. That the entry was last Friday at this red candle. It seemed like it's not the ideal breakout. Wouldn't be surprised to see it cool down. Hopefully it's gonna hold the 20-day moving average. If it's fall below the 20-day moving average, which is this green line, I would worry. But at this point, nothing scary about this stock so far. UCTT, Ultra Clean Holdings, similar, very similar here. This is a base, another base. This is like it shows some VCP character. 1, 2, 3, 4. So this one is just need to clear this zone to make the breakout. ETHA. This is ETF track the Ethereum price. price. So it show that the Ethereum is not decreasing anymore, already above the 50-day moving average, and now this can be an early entry point. Excuse me. So if it succeed to go up and form a handle near this high, it's gonna be excellent entry point. MicroStrategy. Now this lately been upgraded on one of the analysts, and it has amazing potential so far. Still below the 200-day moving average, although the pace here, it's amazing pace, very long one, for like around 5 to 6 months, and just need to clear this zone, this resistance. And now I have a strong feeling that within the latest breakout of the Bitcoin, this has a very high potential to follow and break out at this point. So that's it for this week. Thank you, everyone.